am one of the information girls. Today, I am going to be doing a how-to tutorial on how to transfer large files using WeTransfer. If you don't know what WeTransfer is, check out my last upload. So let's get on to the tutorial. So go to the website WeTransfer.com. When that comes up, you should see this screen come up. Sign up for free. And then you click sign up for free. Then this will come up, and I will, since I have an account, I would click continue with Google. Since you don't have one, you would have to create an account by using an email, your name, last name, and make a password. And then you would click log in. But since I have an account, I'm just going to continue with Google. And then right there, my name came up. And I have already put a picture, but if you want to put a profile picture on your WeTransfer, you just click the picture, and then you're just going to add a photo. Okay, let's get on to how you would transfer the files. You can do this two ways. You can either add your files or you can select a folder. Either one works. So here is how to add your files. Click the plus sign. And then I'm going to choose the file that I want to send. So say it's this right here, a video that I just made. Or it could be an image. It's whatever file you want to send, okay? So I'm going to send this. Then you click open. When you see this, it should say one file added, okay? Then you're going to choose an email and put that in there. So I put in, and then I'm going to click transfer. Okay, when you see the name here, then it's going to turn blue and you just click transfer. And you see right there, when you say you're done, your download email has been sent, so you have that transfer available for 7 days, right? So your transfer is completed. So you have completed using WeTransfer.com to send your files. It's a quick and easy way to transfer large files. I really hope you appreciated and liked this tutorial. So check out our other videos if you have not already, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified when we have future uploads or live streams. I am Marlene. Make it a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.